Rituals to manage your beautiful, beautiful, unbounded energy. You know, what's important here is balance of both rest and activity. And why I love rituals is because they ensure that you really do, not only go out and have massive action, but also you take time to go within. So what are your rituals that you're going to be using to balance your fabulous energy? Are you going to be meditating 2 times a day or 1 time a day, or doing that wonderful pranayama, these breathing exercises that create this deep, deep, wonderful, beautiful, relaxed state of mind? There are so many beautiful rituals to be able to utilize so that you can experience your inner as well as your outer life. So enjoy.